Walk. I walk to the park every evening. Run. He runs faster than his brother. Jump. The cat jumps over the fence. Crawl. The baby is learning to crawl. Dance. We dance at the party. Swim. I love to swim in the ocean. Climb. They climb the mountain on weekends. Slide. Children love to slide at the playground. Swing. She swings on the tire under the tree. Skip. The little girl skips down the sidewalk. Sprint. The athlete sprints to the finish line. Stumble. Be careful not to stumble on the rocks.
That was too close.
Shake. Shake the bottle before opening. Roll. The ball rolls down the hill. Drag. Don't drag your heavy bag on the floor. Push. Push the door to enter. Pull. Pull the handle to open the drawer. Lift. Can you lift this heavy box? Carry. He carries his books in a backpack. Throw. Throw the ball to me.